And guys, I just want to bring you a testimony how great God is. That storm of 11 May, it could have been much worse for me. Look at this tree. Here you can see the roots. It fell totally over. Fell over. There's the branches, that side. You can see all the other trees was falling to the south, how the wind was blowing. All of them. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. That side. 5, 6. If we pan this side. Yeah. 7, 8, 9. There in the corner. 10, 11, 12. 12 trees. They all fell to the south, how the wind was blowing. Except this one tree. If this one tree must have fallen like the other was falling, then my place would have been gone. Gone. Now that is grace from God. And that is my testimony. Believe in God and He will protect you.